In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Finviz Screener. So this is actually very simple. Go to elite.finviz.com or just to finviz.com, sign into your account or create one if you don't have one yet, and then you want to go to the third tab up here which says Screener. So to use it over here, you can first set your preset if you have any. You can then set how you want this to be basically filtered, so we can order by ticker or any of these things over here as well. You can go ascending or descending. You can then set your signals if you want to and look for different tickers. And down here you have the main filters. So here you have descriptive, fundamental, technical, and news, ETF, and all. So these are the filters over here. You can basically just put in whatever you want. So let's say I am looking for a kind of a mid-size, let's say, different things over here, and then you can go to price. You can do price whatever you want to do, like this. You can search for different index. You can search for basically a lot of things over here. So anything you do over here is going to automatically apply. You can see whatever I do, it basically just refreshes the website. It adds another filter over here to one of these, depending on, of course, where you're setting your filters, and then everything gets automatically applied over here. And as you can see, you can use the screener this way. Of course, you can also filter by ascending or descending and filter by any of these things by either going up here and changing it over here, or just clicking down here. As you can see, if you click on company, it's going to filter ascending or descending by company, and the same thing can be done for sector, industry, country, etc. Here you can see all the pages, so depending on how many pages there are, you can go to whichever page you want directly, just like this. There we go. And over here you can go by overview, valuation, financial, ownership. You have a bunch of different things you can look at, and therefore use this Finviz screener this way. Of course, you can play around with it yourself and see for yourself how great it actually is. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.